And remember, use that brain of yours.
Power of a time.
You're really not looking at yourself, old chap. Anything bothering you?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
You are not alone. Keep me hidden. Keep it in fire. And infinite fire. Burn with the light.
There is a trace, but somehow scattered. The scent is confused. Nevertheless, we'd best arm ourselves. Activate the soldiers.
That is my property! And you are trespassing on my land! Come on!
Who's in there? It's one of those idiot boys from the school, is it, eh?
Come on, let's play.
Well, how did you...
No! No! Help me! Help me!
Concentrate. Hutchinson, excellent work.
Ceasefire!
Good day to you, Headmaster.
Your crew's on fine form today, Mr. Smith.
Excuse me, Headmaster, we could do a lot better. Latimer's being deliberately shoddy.
I'm trying my best.
You need to be better than the best. Those targets are tribesmen from the Dark Continent.
That's exactly the problem, sir. They only have spears.
Oh, dear me. Latimer takes it upon himself to make us realize how wrong we all are. I hope, Latimer, that one day you may have a just and proper war in which to prove yourself. Now, resume firing.
One minute past the hour. It's now. Hutchinson, this is the time. It's now.
Stoppage. Immediate action. Didn't I tell you, sir, the stupid boy's useless? Permission to give Latimer a beating, sir.
Your class, Mr. Smith.
Permission granted.
Right. Come with me, you little oik.
Anything the matter, Baines?
I thought. No, sir. Nothing, sir.
As you were, Mr. Smith.
Pemberton, Smythe, Wicks, take post. Ah! Nurse Redfern.
I'll give you back your journal when next I see you.
No, you don't have to.
So if you'll excuse me, Mr. Smith, I was just thinking about the day my husband was shot.
His name was Oliver. He died at the Battle of Spy-on-Cop. We were childhood sweethearts. But you see, I was angry with the army for such a long time.
You still are.
I found myself as part of that school, watching boys learn how to kill.
Don't you think discipline is good for them?
Does it have to be such military discipline? I mean, if there's another war, those boys won't find it so amusing.
Well, Great Britain's at peace, long may it rain.
In your journal, in one of your stories, you wrote about next year, 1914.
It was just a dream.
All those images of mud and wire told of a shadow. A shadow falling across the entire world.
Well, they're making me thankful it's not true. And I'll admit, mankind doesn't need warfare and bloodshed to prove itself. Everyday life can provide honour and valour, and let's hope that from now on this country can find its heroes in smaller places. In the most ordinary of deeds. Lucky.
That was luck.
Nurse Redfern, might I invite you to the village dance this evening? As my guest.
You extraordinary man. Oh, it's all becoming clear now. The doctor is the man you'd like to be, doing impossible things with cricket balls.
Well, I've discovered a talent, that's only true.
Yeah, but the doctor has an eye for the ladies.
The devil.
A girl in every fireplace.
Ah, now, there I have to protest, Joan. That is hardly me.
Says the man dancing with me tonight.
That scarecrow's all askew.
Ever the artist. Where did you learn to draw?
Gallifrey.
Is that in Ireland?
Yes, it must be, yes.
You're not Irish.
Not at all, no. My father, Sidney, was a watchmaker from Nottingham. And my mother, Verity, was... well, she was a nurse, actually.
Oh, we make such good wives.
Really? Right. Yes. Well, my work is done. What do you think?
Masterpiece.
All sorts of skills today.
Ah. Can I see? Oh, goodness. Do I look like that? You sure that's not me?
Just having this page. Like it?
You've made me far too beautiful.
Well, that's how I see you.